Hello everyone, welcome to Design by LBJ. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can DIY your old mirror to a glam mirror. Stick around, I know you will enjoy this video. Now, let's get started. Okay guys, for this project, definitely you will need your mirror. Also, don't forget to frame your mirror. E6000 glue, and you will need, of course, the crystal mirror glass mosaic title from Amazon. You will need it, and you will need silicone. You will need I use glitter just to fill the inside of the mosaic, the glitter crack inside. You need it to fill it, so you will know what I'm talking about in the middle of the video. Now let's get started. That's the mirror I am going to use. I just love it. It's from Amazon. If you want it, I can put a link on my description box down below for you. You can request it in my comment section. Okay, now you can see I am going to add this, not me, my husband. And now let's get started. That's the mirror. It's so big, but everything turned out so beautiful. Okay guys, day one, my husband just added the wood with E6000 glue, and we're gonna let it dry until the next day, and then see you tomorrow. Okay guys, day two, my husband just added the silicone so we can add the mosaic title. Like I said, the mosaic title is so beautiful. It's from Amazon. If you guys want it, just let me know in the comment down below so I can just put the link in my description box down for you. Okay guys, don't forget to add extra silicone. You know this is a tile, okay? That means you're supposed to use grout, but me, I am not going to use grout. I am going to fill the little space with glitter because I am a glam girl. I love glam. But when you add extra silicone, it's like it's better because the space you can add glitter, okay, to fill the space, because I am not going to use any grout, okay, but I just use glitter because glitter make it like so beautiful, because I am a glam girl, okay. If you want, you use glitter. If not, you can use something else, but I choose to use glitter. It's so beautiful, and the silicone hold the glitter so tight. You don't have to worry like about anything. The only thing you have to do when you are done with everything, I think the next day, day three, I was like using my vacuum.
Well, give me clarity so I can see. You could fit into my life when it's daylight and it's night. I would give away my soul, but is it worth it? I don't know. I don't know. Don't cut like paper blade. You said, what can I find in your love? What can I find in your love that don't cut like paper blade? You said, what can I find in your love? 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 What can I find in your love?
Okay, guys, if you want, you can leave the space between each mirror like that. But me, I don't want to do that. I just want to fill it with some glitter, or if you want, you can add something else. But the thing is, you can add guap if you want, but I am a glam girl, so that's what I use the glitter for. And everything turned out so beautiful. I am telling you, you don't have to add nothing else, because the silicone just pop up between those little mirror, but that the silicone hold very tight, the glitter very tight, so that means there is no mess. Everything turned out so beautiful. You don't have to add nothing else, okay? Only the silicone, but remember to add an extra more, because you want it to be pop up between each mirror, so you can add your glitter. But after that, the only thing I did, I just vacuum, okay, the excess glitter. But I didn't have a lot, because I have a lot of silicone between the mirror to hold the glitter. Everything turned out so beautiful, okay? Everything turned out so beautiful, and I just love how everything turned out. I am telling you guys, you don't have to go to Home Goods or Wayfair and like order mirror like for like $1,000 or 500, $600. You can do that at home, okay? Take only 3 days to get this beautiful mirror. So beautiful, claim. Everybody keep asking me, where did you get it from? It's so beautiful. You will love it, guys. Just keep on watching to see the final result.
Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterdays. But I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat. Somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never. Never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. Am I gonna need that song? Hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. Am I gonna need that song? Hit it. Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
Okay guys, now I am using my vacuum just to vacuum the excess glitter, but I didn't have a lot of glitter. The reason why, it's because the silicone hold it so tight. Everything turned out so beautiful. As you can see, that's the final result and I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy, like, share and subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you so much. See you next time in my next video. May the Lord continue to bless each and every one of you. Bye, ciao, tata.